Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is a Sunday and here in Jamaica it's kind of family day, and today everybody supposed to cook at home. No box food business, but I know people still box food, but box food shop close at 3 or 4 p.m. So yeah, you have to cook. Dinner definitely I have to cook. So today I'm going to cook Borщ for my Jamaican husband, and yeah, Borщ is a Russian dish and we love Borщ in Russia, and it's a soup, a beetroot soup, and some people call it bloody soup because I guess it has this red color that beetroot gives. And today I am going to show you very quick. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna to cook it really fast, and yeah. And today also we are going on a road. We're gonna trim Daniel and Lionel. Yeah, they need a new fresh haircut. Yeah, I hope Daniel going to cut his hair, but I'm not sure because Daniel said Rasta. Dani said Rasta. Then no, I forgot him here, and well, anyway, yeah. All right, guys. See you on the road. Now they are gonna cut him here. Daniel, why don't you want to cut your hair? You need to cut your hair.
Yes.
Why not?
Daniel.
Yes.
Daniel. You're not getting him?
No.
I'm not giving.
So there's cutting here. It's a bit sad. Yes, Leo. Leo, smile. Him. There hasn't no smile to waste. Daniel doesn't want to cut him here. Dani, come, cut your hair. Come. Dani loves his hair. He doesn't want to cut it. He's proud of hair. He's a Rasta. Rasta Dani. Rasta Dani? Okay.
Mosquito?
No.
Yes. Super duper cute. Like daddy, like father, like son. Yeah, I love your haircut, Leo. Sunday haircut.
You're so beautiful, eh?
Danny, why you didn't cut your hair?
Daddy, that one.
Yeah, hands are clean. But you need to cut it here.
No, don't want to cut it. Daddy is not beautiful.
Yeah, Danny is beautiful. He's beautiful, but if you cut him here, it'll be more beautiful.
Okay.
Go take big one to eat it. Go take big one to eat it, yeah.
Yeah, guys, that's how in Jamaica we buy jelly, coconut. Amazing. Just from fruit truck on the road, you can buy jelly and stop and have your jelly break, coconut break. Yeah, guys, fresh straight from St. Mary. Man Farms, St. Mary Jelly Farms. Watcha. I'm in love with the cocoa. I got Lolo. Yeah, nice. Errol knows how to spoil the picture. Yeah, that's my coconut. Spasiba. Wait. Let's go down it. Jelly. Some jelly in there. Oy. Straight from Jamaica. Coconut water. It's so tasty. I love it. Here, guys, our community is ready for Christmas. Oh, dear. It's a Christmas time. Something there. Like a Christmas tree. Looking like a Christmas tree. Something is there. Yeah. Got a Christmas tree, guys, here. So for the soup borscht, you're going to need your boiled beef. I boil it already. Well, actually press it in a pressure cooker. And by the way, my pressure cooker works again. Thank you, guys. I changed the rubber and it worked. Started work again, so I'm glad. Yeah, so I cooked my beef in pressure cooker. It's ready. Beetroot, cabbage, white cabbage, grass, we call it grass, scallion, and leaf, pimento seeds, and this is some Jamaican grass. I don't remember the name, but guys, if you remember, thyme. It's thyme. Yeah, man, it's thyme. Yeah, it's my kind of seasoning cup. You can see here seasoning stuff here, and 2 cloves of garlic, onion, and carrot. Yep. And then I'm going to add 1 potato to it. But so far, those ingredients are all I need for my borscht. Not a lot, pretty decent ingredients. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. And I will need my pot. This is Jamaican, like cardboard pot. I love it. It's like you can definitely pass those kind of pots through generations, you know, nothing can happen to it. Look at this, solid. Yep. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my pot on fire, make the oil boil. So I need a hot oil. Okay, so next ingredient, I'm gonna drop my onion, just white onion and carrot in there and fry it. Alright, now let's add beetroot. A little secret, I'm gonna add a little tip of vinegar in my beetroot, just to give a nice color to my soup. Just a little bit, pour a little bit. It's just a secret ingredient. Mix it. Next step, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I didn't have tomato paste, so I am just adding normal sauce paste, but it is based on tomato paste, so I don't think it's going to hurt my soup. Just gonna add 2 tablespoons. Mix it together. So now I'm throwing my cabbage. Just going to mix it together. So now let's throw away my beef. And like I told you guys, I already boiled it, so it's almost ready. My beef broth, I already throw some of it, and I need to add just a little bit. And this is a beef stock, the water where I cooked my beef, and I just saved it, didn't throw it away. Yeah, and so far I love the color. I need to show you guys. You see this color? This time I use real beetroots, and you can see the difference, how the real stuff changes the game, you know? It's a real beetroot and a real organic. Now I'm going to add my grass. I don't know the name of this leaf, excuse me. This is scallion, this is thyme, and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna throw it in there, okay? One little pimento seed, as you guys see. Yep. Now I'm gonna wait till it start boil, and then I'm just going to add potato, and that's gonna be it. Easy peasy. And yeah, I'm gonna put salt, of course, seasoning, everything. I want to say to one of my subscribers, big thanks. And my subscriber sent me a really nice gift through PO box. Those cups to measure anything you want, measuring cups, and I'm so glad they're such a lifesavers. I mean, I would never ever buy it myself, but it's so nice. You took care of me, thank you. And also this person sent me a nice set of measuring spoons, you see guys. And next set of spoons tops here. And like I'm telling you, it's such a nice gift because I can actually measure things proper now. And trust me, if it would be me, if it would be for me, I would never buy it for myself, you know, because guys, but just know, we just use anything when I'm ready. I just use a baby bottle, anything. But so this professional stuff, my hands would never reach to buy it. So thank you guys, thank you a lot. Thank you my subscriber. If you watch me, I'm telling you big thanks. Thank you. Yeah guys, and I normally add my chicken cube, seasoning cube. Just crush it and sprinkle it. Alright, now it's time to throw my potato. Okay. So now I'm gonna add salt, half of the tablespoon. Pepper, just a little bit. Yeah, like this. It's okay. And let's add a little bit of cane sugar, just a little bit. I just sprinkle. You know, guys, cane sugar brings flavor also. So if you feel like you need something in your soup, if you feel like something is missing, you can add a little tip of cane sugar, just a little bit. So guys, Errol gone to play football and I'm here with the kids. Dani, they're on the phone. Leo is playing his favorite game, and yeah. So, do you guys feel Christmas? I'm not really feeling Christmas yet. Soon we're going to set up our Christmas tree, and yeah, maybe after I'm going to feel like Christmas is on the way, but for now I'm not really feeling. Yeah, but so far people, they pretty up their places and it's really cute. Leo loves trees, Christmas trees. Leo wants one, and yeah, we're gonna surprise him with a Christmas tree, because I think Leo doesn't know yet that we bought it, and Leo doesn't know that we bought other things, but yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. Yeah, so in Russia we don't celebrate Christmas on 25th of December. We celebrate Christmas in January, but we celebrate New Year, 31st of New Year. In Russia it's a family holiday, it's a family day and all the families in Russia, they cook and they gather together they chill together, and when it's 12 o'clock we listen to our president, his New Year greeting video where he wishes Russian people a lot of good things, promises people a lot of good stuff for the next year. And that's kind of Russian tradition. That's a Russian tradition. All the families, 12 o'clock, we listen to our president, and when 12 o'clock exactly, we count from 1 to 12. When we count to 12, they start play Russian national anthem, and all people, they get up and they cheer each other. They do like cheers and tell each other Happy New Year. And I remember one time I tried it in Vietnam. I tried it with Errol. I cooked Russian food. We set up the table. We listened to Russian president. It's a very unique experience, guys. You know, here I think in Jamaica Christmas is more a family holiday than New Year. Yeah. And this Christmas we are going to celebrate it in Jamaica. I'm so excited. Like, we're gonna set up a real nice Christmas environment. Gonna show you guys also, so watch our vlog. And yeah, we will soon release the video because we are not really ready yet still, because it's what today. Oh, it's not even December, it's in November. Like, I don't like to set up Christmas tree too early, because too much dust sets on it, builds on that Christmas tree. So I just want to put it on 2 weeks before actual Christmas. And yeah, I think that's enough. Yep. So what you guys think? Do you guys love Christmas or New Year more? And do you like to set up your Christmas tree from early? Or yeah, last time we asked one lady. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Last time we asked one lady if she is going to buy pepper lights for her tree and what kind of pepper lights she would recommend to us. And she said like, no, she is not going to buy because JP is a killer. Yeah, but I am sure we're gonna turn on our pepper lights only when we need it. And last Christmas we had one neighbor in our neighborhood, so she brought a lot of nice stuff from, I guess, America. She shipped it, or from England, and she set up her house so nice. But this year she built her house, so I'm not sure if she's gonna set it up again. But it was so nice. But though I wonder how much JP sent her light bill after all that prettiness. Yeah, I think JP did a killer that time. But yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna serve Errol now. Sprinkle a little grass. I forgot the name again, so excuse me and sorry. This is a crop, baby. I forgot the name, so sorry. Yeah, drop in the comment section the name for this grass again, please, because I totally forgot. Parsley? No, on a parsley, something else. Alright, so Daryl is testing my borscht. This time I cook it with a lot of love. Yeah. It was really tasty. You like? Alright. Alright, Daryl favorite Russian soup borscht so far. Yeah. Alright guys.
Are you putting that in the fridge then?
That time I used real beetroot. No beetroot from the tin, you know? From tin. Yeah. It tastes much better. So guys, thank you for being with me today. Like, subscribe and share as usual, and yeah, take care guys. Have a good Sunday night, I guess.